Is your Vauxhall Insignia's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are a faulty bonnet switch, a sensitive interior sensor, or the need for a system reset. The bonnet switch, located under the hood, can corrode or misalign, sending false open signals and triggering the alarm. Interior sensors, which detect movement, can be overly sensitive due to dirt, wiring issues, or a weak car battery. Start by checking these components. Open the bonnet and inspect the switch for any signs of corrosion or damage. Next, ensure the interior of your car is clean, as even small movements can set off a hypersensitive sensor. A diagnostic scan using an OBD2 scanner can also help pinpoint the exact source of the false alarms by reading error codes from the BCM. Before seeking professional help, try resetting the alarm system. This often involves a specific sequence of ignition cycling and key fob button presses. If resetting doesn't work, consider replacing the faulty component. A new bonnet switch is relatively inexpensive and easy to install yourself, with tutorials readily available. For interior sensor issues, you might need to adjust the sensitivity or replace the sensor entirely. If these DIY steps don't resolve the problem, BCM reprogramming might be required. This is best left to a qualified mechanic.